NHIDCL. Through you, Mrs. Chairperson, I would like to request the concerned minister to consider paying compensation to the farmers, then the homestay operators, store operators, whose livelihood have been greatly affected due to the unmindful dumping of debris along the streams, and this has affected, the paddy fields. It has affected the water source of many people who have been living, through depending on these natural resources. And therefore, I would request the concerned minister to consider some kind of compensation to these people, and at the same time to take stern action against those involved in such unmindful and selfish act by contractors in the name of development. Thank you.
Money to the state, it gets stuck in the state. They don't release the fund at the earliest. Just recently only, the one which has been sent to the state was released to the students. Now, I would like to ask, is there any incurred interest by the state when they have kept the money for a very, very long time instead of directly transferring the money to the students? Even now also they have given partly. So I would like to ask, if the 100% from the state, center has been released, why the state is reluctant to release directly to the students? We know that there is a federal structure that is running the government, but at least there should be some directions from the state government itself to send the money directly to the students. They should not keep the money as to get the incurred interest. So this is a malpractice, Mr. Speaker, sir.